To reset a chat room's look in the Messages app back to default on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app and then open the chat with the contact you want to customize. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap customize chat room. Next, tap reset at the top right. A pop-up appears to ask you whether you want to continue resetting the selected chat room to the default look. Tap reset to confirm. Tap the back twice. As you can see, the background, bubble opacity, and text contrast have been returned to the default look. Given the function, resetting a chat room's appearance is a quick way to clear custom style and get back to clean original layout. It's perfect if you want better readability or just prefer the default look. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.